Hello everybody, this is Shivam, Amal, and Robert's project, Home Automation for our Embedded Systems class. Here's a little bit of video on the workings of how or what's going on in there. Here we have an Android app that has heater, lights, AC. We don't have obviously the lamp or the home theater thing hooked up to it. However, we do have this app connected via Bluetooth to our HC06 Bluetooth module that's up in here. Now that's pretty much controlling the relay, the 4-channel relay that we have up here. As you can see, one of the relays it's not connected because since we're not using it. And beside that, we have a computer PSU power supply unit. I went with that since we require a couple of different types of voltage. A steady state 12 volts. So this whole rail of breadboard contains a 12 volt. This one here, as you can see here, it says 5 volts. And here we have a 3.3 steady volt. Now I have checked with the multimeter, everything looks fine. Each and every other rail have constant 3.35 and 12 volts without any hiccups. So this was the best way to do it so far. Obviously, as you can see, my carpentry skills are not very good or on point, as well as we didn't work a little bit hard enough to hide all the wires. However, that didn't seem to be any priority at this point. Here we have DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor connected to the Arduino Mega. And beside that, we have a reed switch right here. The main purpose of the reed switch was to act as a door, a security door, notifier. Once it closed down, will be a magnet placed nearby, it lights up the red. That means it's closed. The security is activated. And in front we have, let's zoom in this a little bit. We have this LCD apparently on the video. It's not showing pretty good. Let's see if I zoom in a little bit. Oh, there you go. Okay, so it does say final project, humidity reading and the temperature readings currently in my room. And then we have here two fans that represents the AC and a heater. However, it's not an actual heater or AC, since that would require a little bit more. I'm gonna give you guys a demo of how responsive or quick enough the app is. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the app, the Bluetooth app we have here. Now, depending on what I select, it's going to go ahead and communicate and send character signals to the Bluetooth modules. I have if and else statement in the conditions that says if the Bluetooth module catches 0 or 1, it turns on the lights. If it catches 2 or 3, it turns on the heater. If it catches 3 or 4, and so on. Depending on what number does it receive, it does on or off situations. So here we're gonna go ahead and see if it turns on the heater if I do on here. So let me go ahead and zoom in a better thing. Okay, currently it says off, as you can see, on, and there we go. We have a heater unit working just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing off, and so it's pretty responsive as far as the response goes. And oh, come on, dude, you gotta move away. That's my dog. Anyway, back to the point. We're gonna go ahead and see the lights here. Okay, looks like it's working fine. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, on, off. So it works pretty good. AC here, we have the AC fan not working right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the AC thing, and there you go. So it's as you can see, it's it's quite responsive on the character it receives on the Bluetooth serial module. This is pretty handy if you're trying to control up to even 12 to 16. You can put a lot of if and else statement depending on what you need to be doing. Besides that, I don't think so we ran into any problems so far. Again, as Professor Lan said, E doesn't like too much of the I2C, my bad. LCD or the module. However, we were easily able to implement this LCD up in here, which has the I2C module connected to it, as you can see right here. It wasn't that hard, to be honest with you. We just use a hex scanner, which scans for the particular address that that module is on. And once you get the module, all you gotta do is pinpoint the location of it, and you're pretty much good to go. And that concludes our little demo video of what's going on in our project. Well, thank you very much for watching this, and yeah, peace out.